Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to enable fast charging on your Redmi Note 14. So I'm using the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus, but the same steps should apply on the other Redmi Note 14 phones. Now simply open the settings. So find the settings icon on the home screen or the app drawer and tap on it. And then scroll down and select battery. Now within the battery settings, simply select charging options. And then simply tap on this option, wired charging mode. So select it. Now you should see two options. There's the standard and the top speed. So if you want to enable the fast charging, all you have to do is simply tap on top speed. Now once you enable the top speed, you'll see this notification. Turn on to regulate charging speed automatically. This feature works only with Xiaomi's supplied chargers. So your device might heat up during charging. So if you want to use the fast charging method, ensure that you are charging your Redmi Note 14 with the original charger. So that will allow you to charge your device quickly. But keep in mind, by using this feature, it will make the device heat up during charging. So that's basically it on how to enable fast charging on your Redmi Note 14. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.